In our previous lecture, we already see how to import media files from our desktop, camera or mobile device. In this lecture, I will show you how to import photos directly from Facebook or Instagram. So let's get started. At first, we import photos from my Instagram account. To do this, simply click on this import icon and then click download photos from Instagram. Now click on sign in. After that, type your Instagram username and password. Now I just simply hit on login. Click on authorize. And here you see all of my Instagram photos. Simply check your preferred photos. I just randomly select few. And then finally click on import. Look, we successfully imported our photos from Instagram. In the similar way, if you want to import photo or videos from Facebook, simply click on import icon, click download media from Facebook, click on sign in, and then type your Facebook username and password. And then hit on login. Now click on continue. Click OK. That's it. Here you see all of my Facebook photos. And this is my recently uploaded Facebook videos. Now I randomly select few photos and videos from my Facebook album. And then simply hit on import. And look how easily import photo and videos from Facebook. In the same way, you can easily import photos from Flickr. Simply sign in with your Flickr account and then import your preferred photos. In this easy way, you can easily import photo and videos from your Facebook, Instagram and Flickr account. Thank you so much for watching.